Hi guys, so I'm walking right now and I'm going to find a money changer which I'm going to walk. I don't know where to go actually. Let's see. So I'm like crazy walking here and I don't know where to go. Let's check. Can you imagine wearing my slipper, walking? I don't even know where to go. So that's the MRT. So I'm here now in Taipa. Let's take a walk right here, right now, up to that end of that road, and let's see what's there, and then I will check. Then I don't know. I just walk here and then I don't know this place actually, and I'm trying to find the money changer here, and let's see now. Really, that's the Venetian there. I just walk here and now I saw and I can see the Venetian there. But I don't want to go there right now. I'm gonna go later. I just want to take a walk here. Now I can see here are shops and I can see the Venetian is there. Want to go there, that place soon. Dragon Grand Hotel. Then there's a McDonald's there. Oh gosh. Mocha. A lot of lights, huh? Let's go guys. Let's take a walk. I was there on that side to change my money. And now I'm going back to my hotel. So I'm done to change from peso to MOP. Now I'm gonna take a walk going back to my hotel there at Yoho. So now let's go. It's quite far actually. So I'm walking right now and oh, I saw a Circle K. We're going to buy something here. I like to buy a bread in Circle K, and I have a food that I like to buy here. I don't know where did they put. Oh, it's here. So I always buy this side. So I like to buy this one. I always buy a mango salmon or Japanese salmon. So they have grilled, yeah, salmon belly. Let's check here what to buy. This is what I gonna eat. So we're going to buy a rice and pork. Yes, yes. She said, make it hot. How much? 28 pesos. 28 MOP, sorry. So we're going to pay 28 MOP for the food, and I will give her the 50 MOP. You, yes. Oh, have pay? No. Circle K. Let's go back to the hotel. Okay guys, let's take a walk and let's go back to my hotel. I just came here to change the money and buy some food. Let's go, and you see there's a 7-Eleven there. So I had a walk with my sleeper and we're going to walk there. Let's go to my hotel. Let's take a walk going there with my sleeper. So that's my hotel. Let's go. That's my hotel, guys. That's where I'm staying right now at Yoho Hollywood Roosevelt Hotel. I'm staying to this hotel. Let's go inside. That's the Venetian. I didn't know that the Venetian is just at the back of Yoho Hotel. See, the Venetian is just at the back of this hotel. So here's the outside of my hotel at night time. Let's go inside, guys. Let's go inside. Inside upstairs. Hi guys! So kararating ko lang. So live na naman tayo before the end of this day. So we're going to do live. So guys, let's going to open the light para naman maliwanag. Okay, I think it's all open now. And I'm going to have my food to eat. So we're going to eat right now, guys. Kakain tayo. So, i-move natin to kasi I'm gonna eat. So guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung binili kong food. So, nag-video ko kanina. I was in the Circle K. So earlier, I was in the Circle K having my walk and I did my video. So nag-video ako kanina. So meron akong soft drinks dito. Sa ref. May soft drinks naman siya, kukunin ko. So, meron silang free na Coke. So, I'm gonna share to you guys my food. So, I was in the Circle K. So, this is the food that I bought. Ayan, guys. So, let's eat. Kakain tayo and then we're going to eat now. So, kain muna tayo, guys. Ayan. So, ayan, guys. Kakain tayo ngayon. So, napainit ko na siya sa Circle K kanina. May video ako dun habang bumibili ako ng food. So, ayan. Kakain muna ako, guys. And then, I'm going to have my shower in the bathtub. Parang ano ko naman. Parang ang lapit ko naman, guys. So, let's eat muna here. So, dito ako kakain kasi so, ayan. kanin na may adobong pork. Yung binili kong food. Marami siya guys, kaya kain ako ng half, pamaya-maya kakain ulit ako ng half. Actually, ayaw ko sanang kumain ng rice. I don't wanna eat rice actually, but kailangan ko ng lakas. Kasi bukas, pag nag-check out ako, I need to bring my bag, my luggage with me. So, matamis lang talaga siya. Nag-init ako ng tubig kasi so iba talaga yung food, iba talaga yung adobong pork baboy compare sa atin. Mas masarap sa atin kaysa dito. Tapos ito, parang nasa 28 MOP siya. So, i-check natin mamaya, guys. Iba talaga yung luto sa atin compare sa luto dito. Yung mga ganito na mga adobong pork, adobong baboy. Mas masarap yung sa Pilipinas kaysa dito. Naglakad ako, nagpa-change ako ng pesos sa MOP kasi bukas kailangan kong mag-spend, bayad sa bus, pagkain ko. Dahan-dahan lang tayong kumain kasi marami to eh. Dami niya guys. Tapan ko muna siya, then mamaya kakainin ko pa maya-maya. Sorry. Lagay ko muna tong soft drinks ko sa ref kasi ayaw kong ubusin lahat. I need to drink some water. I think I have water there. Oo, may tubig pa pala ako dito, guys.
So, ayan yung bed ko. Gusto kong magpa-relax for a while. So, gusto kong mag-relax, but nabusog ako. Ayan, naglakad ako kanina na meron akong mga mga video sa labas. Mamaya, later guys, makikita nyo, i-upload ko din siya. Napagod ako Ayan. So, yung other side, hindi pala dito. So, this one is other side. And then, doon sa other side of the building, you can see the Venetian. So, it's just back of this building pala. So, I think this one is in front or sa gilid. I think that side ang Venetian. So, hindi siya makita dito, guys. Pero kanina, naglalakad ako, ginawan ko siya ng video. So, ayan. So, ayan guys, boring ako dito mag-isa sa room ko. So, magpapahinga lang ako for a while and then magbabat shower. So, bathtub tayo guys, okay? So, i-turn off ko muna to guys. Thanks for watching and see you on my next live. Bye! So, this is what I told you guys at night. You can see the building have a lights. Right? So, that's my view here. That's it. Enjoy watching and see you on my next video. Bye.